Are your teens learning money habits from TikTok and YouTube? Mm. Listen, as a parent, you are the cornerstone of your teenager's future, believe it or not. But when it comes to money matters, who is influencing their financial decisions? We live in a world where information is literally at our fingertips. And because of that, it is becoming increasingly difficult to monitor the sources our teens turn to for advice. So, from TikTok to YouTube, the internet is just full of financial gurus, right? Whose credentials are often nothing more than a large following. So, with this digital age, it brings so many financial myths, I see so many one size fits all advice, and it may not align with the sound financial principles that you really want to instill in your child. So the question stands, are these the money mentors we want for our children? If you are looking for a reliable source, I need you to join me for one of our upcoming parent information sessions. We are going to spend this time exploring how we can redirect our teens toward reliable, age appropriate financial education that actually prepares them for their future. So I want you to click below and select a date and join me for a parent information session well, you'll learn all about our money camps for teens and that how it can prepare them. Now, if you want to invite your friends and family, you are more than welcome to. Simply share this video with them. You can share it with other teen organizations you think will benefit, and I will see you there.